Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna show you how to mod the original GTA IV ISO mod. And well, the first thing you'll need to do is download these programs right here. I'll have the links in the description, all of them. And after you, it'll take a while, especially this ISO file right here. You'll need to download. So, anyways, first thing, once you have everything downloaded, the first thing you'll need to do is you know, open up ABGX 360, and then once you open it up, go to this file right here, open it up, and then go to the folder where you save the GTA IV ISO. So it would be in my downloads right here. Click open, and then now you open up the ISO. So now you want to do is go to options and check fix slash check slash fix video padding. Then go to auto fix. Go to level 3, and then go to the miss or miscellaneous, whatever it's called, and go to select. And then now there's gonna be a lot of options. I mean, on your GTA disc, it'll say either NTC/SC/U, which means like the US and stuff, or like PAL or PAL, which means other countries. It'll most likely be either one of these. But I mean, which one your disc says is which one you're gonna click. So click whatever and click OK. Maybe pick your language. Now go on split vid and click add it if it doesn't exist or isn't valid, and do that. And make sure you have everything like how I have it, except this one, whatever your disc says. And level 3 options, check /6 video padding. And once you have all that done, just click launch, and it's gonna start checking and stealth patching the file. And that's what ABGX 360 does. It stealth patches your file so you won't get banned or anything. And it's gonna take a while, as you can see, so I'm just gonna pause the video real quick until it's done. Okay, now this is what it looks like when it's finished, and you can just exit out of that. As it says, press any key. Okay, and you can just minimize or exit out of this. Okay, now what you need to do is open up Xbox Backup Creator. Alright, now once you open up Xbox Backup Creator, what you need to do is open up Image Tools, or go to Image Tools. You need to go to Image Browser. Once you open up Image Browser, you need to go to File, Open Image File, and then you need to go to where you have your mods, or mod, like download a mod. I'll have in the description. It'll be so just download any mod you want, script mods or a regular modification. Just open it up. Hold on. What the heck? Oh, sorry about that. I meant to go to File, Open Image, and open up the GTA IV, the ISO. Sorry about that. Once you open it up, you can now go in and start replacing files. Like, depending on the mod that you downloaded, depending on the mod you downloaded, there's certain files that you can replace. But yeah, so I'll show you. Like you can replace. You go to common, data, CD images, and this is what you have to replace. You have to replace this if you want your mods to work. So all you gotta do is click on it, right click, replace. Then you go to your mods, open it up, and there should be something called the script network. What you do is you just press open, and if you get this message, that means it just is giving you a warning saying it's larger than the original file. But I haven't had any problems. But just press OK, and it replaces the file. Now you can go. Now after you replace the script network.img, you can go ahead and just replace any other files that you find. Like if you go to Xbox 360, down to data, oh, the heck, down to data, maps, and east. Now this is to have like map mods, so it's the fourth one down, not down, but fourth. It's the fourth one right here, basically. The Queens E.img. You can replace this. Just replace it. Go to your mod file and well, I don't have one right now, but if you do have one, I mean, you can just replace it like the same way you did with the script network. But yeah, and then you just go on, and then you can just you can do whatever you want, like replace the files. You can replace if you go to models and then go to CD images, you can just replace the weapons, the vehicles, and the radar or whatever. And there. And once you replace all the files, and then you want to exit out of it. Well, hold on. What's this error coming up? You always want to, what's I doing? Where's the file? Well, never mind for right now. Oh, actually, yeah. If you go to GTA IV ISO, you can replace all these files if you have the files, but always replace this one last, the Xbox 360.rpf. Just replace that one last, but you can do these ones first. Anyways, but after you're done replacing all the files, you can just exit out the file, exit, and then exit out of that. And now you basically have your okay. Now that you have your now that you're done with replacing the files, now you want to reopen ABGX 360, and then open up your files and stuff. Open it up. Open it up. Make sure all this stuff is checked. And I accidentally exited out, which I shouldn't really had to, but yeah. Yeah, so once you do that, you click launch again, so it can stealth patch it afterwards. And yeah, so after it stealth patches it again, you'll get a message saying, it should be saying something like stealth, basic stealth check passed, but it's not. It'll be an orange or something like that, but it's okay. You don't have to mind that. But yeah. So once you stealth patch it again, just exit out, and now exit it out. I suggest actually putting it to the desktop, but I didn't do that. Mine is always in here. It's this. It's this one. It should look like this, not this. It should have the disc with the fire on top of it. That's the one you choose. just click open. Once you've done that, uncheck verify and write speed, put it to 2.4 and copies 1, and then go to tools, settings, and write. And now click user specified. I believe the code, I'm not sure. I'll have the code in description, so make sure you double check the description for the code. But I'm just gonna put in the code what I think it is. But make sure you double check the code in the description. I think it's 1911376, something like that. Once you have that code in, you can just go ahead, press OK, and then once you hit OK, make sure you have everything, the file, make sure you have this unchecked, and the speeds and the copies done. Once you do that, you put in your disk inside your disk drive, and it'll allow you to click this, and then you just click it and write the file to the disk, and it will take about like 10-15 minutes for it to finish. That's how long it took me. Oh, and also, never use Memorex discs. Those are not good discs to use. I have experienced the worst with that. I mean, like, I used the disc, and with hot swapping, it was a pain. I mean, like, it didn't even work, so that's why I had to use a different disc, like Verbatim, I think it's pronounced. Well, yeah. Well, I have everything in the description, so make sure you read the description, like, subscribe, and yeah. So that's how you mod GTA, the original GTA IV. Okay.